YouTube.
Tomorrow we are going to slow cook 2 chickens. Today what we're going to do is rub them up. We're going to rub them up. What is it actually called? Rubbing the chicken.
Marinating?
We're going to marinate the chicken, which sounds a lot more delicious than rubbing them up. G'day, I'm Seamus. I'm here with my neighbour Pete.
How you going?
Who owns a fabulous smoker, therefore has been roped in to be in my fledgling cooking show here because I want to make some delicious smoked chicken. Pete's going to help me to achieve that because I am a massive kitchen noob and have no idea what I'm doing. This is a peri-peri, right?
This is a peri-peri rub.
Did we mention that?
No, we haven't mentioned it.
This is a peri-peri rub.
Peri-peri rub.
Alright, so if your idea of what the internet was invented for was watching 2 hairy old men rub some chickens, that's your lucky day. Okay, so Pete's peri-peri chicken rub recipe. Basically, you just take these things and you whisk them together in a bowl and then you rub them all over your chicken. In the rest of this video, we'll show you how to prepare and apply the rub, which means Peter doing all of the work while I distract him with irrelevant comments and immature jokes about rubbing chickens. So, what do we do first to prepare a chicken for the smoker?
The herbs together in a bowl.
What do we have? We have
Sugar, cayenne pepper,
onion powder, and echo,
Parsley, smoked paprika, garlic powder, oregano, ground coriander, ground ginger, cardamom ground, and some sweet paprika. Sweet.
And we will not be putting the salt in yet. We do that tomorrow before we put it on the smoker. As to not dry out the chicken overnight while it is becoming flavorful. 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika.
Can you please apply the herbs in a more entertaining fashion? Like, can't you dance or something while you do it? Because, yeah, that's better. That's good.
Oregano. Parsley.
Let me just get back in frame.
Alright.
And
3,
put that
2,
down there.
1, go.
Go.
Parsley.
Parsley. I don't feel like it's very bright in here. Oh, I didn't turn the light on.
Cardamom. No, ginger. I did the ginger. 2 teaspoons of
I've always
ground
thought that tablespoon and teaspoon could have been given more unique names to avoid confusion.
I find it confusing because it's a TBSP
Yeah.
or TSP.
Yeah. There's only really 2 to choose from, so why not call one X and the other Y?
An X spoon or a Y spoon.
Yeah, or spoon A, spoon B.
Two teaspoons of ground cardamom.
There's a line that men cross somewhere along the way where they start saying, good. Like there's no man in his 20s who says, good.
And now for the tricky part.
What's the tricky part? Oh, the cayenne.
The cayenne pepper.
Contentious. Less is more, I say.
How much do you love your family?
Less is more. It says 1 teaspoon. Well, that's going over 2 chickens. I'd put a bit less than that myself. But we are wuss bags in our family when it comes to spice. Oh, it's in.
It's in.
Living dangerously. The magic fork has been obtained, and now we're going to mix it together.
Stir it through.
A master at work right there, many years of hard graft. It's all in the wrist.
It's very cardamom-y.
Cardamom-esque.
Cardamom-esque.
It's cardamom-esque, you say?
I think it needs a bit more.
Oh, that just smells bloody great to me. It's almost lemony. It's lemon-esque.
Trying to imagine the chicken. Yeah, let's chuck it.
Let's chuck some white pepper in there. Where's the white pepper? Huh? Yeah, white pepper. But where is it? One of these containers.
There's a little pepper mill.
Have you got pies on your head?
You gelatin?
Oh, it's over there.
No, no wonder.
No, the other one.
No, yeah, that's it. How much?
I don't know, this is not in the recipe.
Some white pepper.
The touch of yourself.
What? That just sounds creepy. Release
The bird.
the fowls. I got pepper up my nose. It's tickling me like buggery. Now, do we need to do anything else to the chicken first to prepare?
get a paper towel and dry it off a bit.
There we are, 2 chickens. There we are. What do you think of that? Pretty chickeny, I'd say. Righto, Pete's giving me his phone so that I can do the close-up while he performs the magic rub. Good. What I'm noticing about having you here to do this video with me is that it's about half as much work. That's 30 seconds of you doing that chicken. Can you do it faster?
And
is there any rubbing involved?
No.
It's misleading.
Turn it up right so they don't get like on the side.
Chicken rubber extraordinaire. I love a good chicken rubbing. The chicken is rubbed.
The chook is rubbed.
Alright, that's one rub chicken. Check it out.
Rub. Smells good though.
Now what? Put it in the fridge.
Put some foil over the top.
Some foil.
Some cling wrap and chuck it in the fridge.
Woo! That's some finger licking goodness. Wrap her up. Send our birds on a hot date. So we'll see you in the next video where you'll learn Peter's top secret to cooking the juiciest smoked chicken that's ever been revealed on the internet in one of my videos.